Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold comes with a really fun little homework assignment. I want you to go back in the fold of the week archive and watch episode 258. Layla Singleton for Stern Grove Festival. It's a really cool picnic themed invitation for a special fundraising event. Well, this year she was asked to redesign it, rework it so that it was more cost efficient to mail. The previous version was square. It was hand folded. It was amazing, but they wanted to try to make it more efficient in several different ways, and what I want you to see is how she was able to maintain all of the character of the original one with a new, more efficient format. So came in an A7 envelope, so now a standard size that's more efficient to mail, and red lining on the inside. And then there's a little locked cover. There's also, it might be a little hard to see on video, but there's a blind emboss texture of a picnic basket, and it says the Big Picnic, that's the name of the event. And there's a little tab that's locked into the cover right here. So there's a little, what's nice is a little short trim of that cover shows the picnic kind of gingham tablecloth. And so that little tab opens up. And this is actually a double parallel fold. So it opens to the front this way. And then there's a little glueless pocket that just holds the RSVP card and one little envelope here. So I want you to see the die of this. It's just a little half moon tab. And then this is a double parallel. This is just a glueless pocket down here. So extremely simple. So die and score. And then this was the two little inserts were put in. And then it tucks in. The other thing I really like is when the tab is tucked here, this opens as a spread as well. So you can open it this way and see all the history of the event. And then you can open it this way and pull and get all the information about the event and who's performing, etc. So really, really cool. These were printed by Calitho Printing. These were 5 color. They did about 1,400 of these. So just brilliant, brilliant efficiencies, just great design. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Front opening double parallel with tucked cover and glueless pocket. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. If yours, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.